Singapore is two-thirds of the way to hitting its target of training 80,000 talents in the built environment sector. They've acquired skills in new tech like automation and digitalisation. And more efforts are now underway to develop a pipeline of local talent for the sector, which comprises industries like construction, security and facilities management. Among the initiatives is a new agreement to attract and nurture more students from the polytechnics and the Institute of Technical Education. This will help develop a future-ready workforce that can transform the industry. However, industry consultations show that the built environment sector not only wants to be productive and digitally savvy, it also aspires to be valued and respected with better work-life balance and opportunities for career progression.
Unfortunately, the built environment sector is seldom seen as the most appealing sector for job seekers, especially the younger ones. We have made efforts to change this by profiling the many attractive professions in the sector and celebrating built environment firms that have been recognized for the good human resource practices and organizational development.
A joint study with Ernst & Young will look at redesigning jobs and improving hiring practices to help attract and retain talent in the sector. The report will be ready in the fourth quarter of this year.
Built environment companies that have managed to redesign some of their job roles say they've seen an increase in local hires. More employees who have gone for upskilling are also taking on more digitally driven roles off-site. Rebecca Mateo reports.
From working under the hot sun as a project engineer at a construction site to sitting at the computer drawing 3D models for building projects, Wang Weilin had taken a chance to pick up a 6-month course on building information modeling. Now she has broadened her horizons and is working with a larger group of professionals within the industry.
I'm more being involved in different disciplines in the coordination process for various disciplines, and then it has provided me with opportunity to become a digital engineer in the future and take charge in more of the coordination with other disciplines.
Another engineer, Lo Jun Han, took up programming in his free time. It proved career-changing, and he is now a computational designer, using knowledge from both his old and new jobs to create code for project ideas.
From working on projects on site, going to meetings with designers, right? I work a lot more on code, on software, and I work more with technology people, with architects, engineers, software developers.
Hit by a prolonged manpower crunch, employers are going all out to attract local talent. These include scholarships for upskilling.
We also ensure that the young people are being coached and mentored closely by managers to give them wider perspective of different areas of work and guiding them to develop the expertise to drive innovation in the company.
Real estate company Lendlease is one of the leaders in the built environment. It says that in just over a year, going digital has helped it build a digital team that's more than 80% locals.
It's hard manual labor and we're pouring concrete on construction sites. It's dirty, it's unsustainable. That's not a very attractive picture to paint. So I think the opportunity for us with digitalization is to actually reimagine these roles.
Moving forward, the company is looking for talents in software engineering. It's hoping to use such skills to make an impact in the future of the built environment sector.